It's time for another episode of 5 Favorites. As always, we pick our 5 favorite drone videos from the past month and we talk about them for a little bit. These are videos we liked and wanted to share with the community. Ready to jump in? Well, let's get to it. Starting off February, we get a great freestyle mix from Juan's FPV. I love the variety here. We go from dense cityscape cruising to precise farmland flying. Accuracy and precision are definitely the showcase here, and Juan's does a great job putting all the scenes together. In particular, I think the gap hitting through the city buildings and throttle control in the fields are especially fun to watch. I also love the small details like seeing the quad in the reflection of the buildings and the cruising above the icy water. All in all, this video showcases a great use of environment. It should be no surprise Robogenesis is on 5 Favorites this month. He released 2 killer freestyle mixes that are jaw-dropping to watch. In a word, incredible. Not only is the freestyle skillful, it's done at blistering speeds. The hula loop, proximity to trees, and race-like freestyle that is mind-bending to watch. Robogenesis is gonna be, if not already, the pilot to watch in 2018. Definitely prepare for him to offer some serious competition to the other DRL pilots in the next season. Paul K brings us some more tree freestyle. While Robogenesis video brings us the speed, Paul K brings some great floaty, slower paced freestyle. I love the use of space here as Paul K mixes accurate low to the ground twists with high dives and stalls. The accuracy of the rotations and reversals throughout the trees definitely stand out. The slower speed and deliberate movements make the video feel like someone forgot to turn gravity on in parts. Lots of great stunts throughout that feel like Paul K has another camera facing backwards to see where he's going. Definitely worth watching if you want to see more trick-focused freestyle. Another new face to 5 Favorites, Tada brings a great mix of gap-hitting race freestyle. What a cool place to fly. We get what looks like an abandoned building with all the walls removed, just the support posts are left, and what more can you ask for in a location? Tada rips it perfectly, using each level and section of the building to loop through. I love when pilots are able to find unique spots like this, and think Tada definitely did it justice. Finally, for your cinematic viewing this month, Jet put together a breathtaking edit of the Colorado mountains. We get a beautiful array of mountain scenery, complete with great cruising and dives. The clarity throughout is insane. I mean, you couldn't have asked for a more perfect flying day, whether ripping through the mountains or meandering over the river. While the footage looks great, the flying is just as impressive. We get to see more of Jet's incredible mountain pass dives and close proximity flying in a stunning wintry environment. Sadly, this video is Jet's farewell note to Colorado, but what a send-off it is. I can't wait to see Jet's new videos from Seattle. And that does it for February. As always, we'll be back next month to look at March's 5 Favorites. We'll see you guys next time.